wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best drones for photographers. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, using an intuitive navigation system to protect its payload at speeds of up to 43.5 miles per hour. The Yuneec Typhoon H Pro hexacopter has a 360-degree anti-vibration gimbal-mounted 4K camera for taking vivid snapshots and filming high-resolution videos in 8 different flight modes. It comes with retractable landing gear and lets you build a 3D model of your surroundings. However, calibration can be problematic. At number 9, the DJI Phantom 4 Pro has a 20-megapixel 1-inch CMOS camera with a 24mm lens, 84-degree field of view, recording bitrate of up to 100 megabits per second, and 6400 maximum ISO for video, all protected from damage by a robust multi-directional obstacle avoidance system. You get about 30 minutes of flying time per charge, and it offers MP4 and HEVC video formats, but it's not the best value for money. Coming in at number 8 on our list, for exceptional ease of use, the affordably priced UDI U842 Predator features gravity induction mode for intuitive hand controls. It has a high-definition video camera, and each of its two 1000 mAh lithium polymer batteries provides up to 9 minutes of flying time per charge. It withstands impacts reasonably well, and replacement parts are readily available. However, it's not robust enough for serious users. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for drones for photographers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, for those for whom snapping and sharing photos and videos are more than just passing fancies, gestural controls and intelligent flight modes are among the many perks of owning a DJI Spark, which also comes with top-tier image capturing and editing software. It boasts an extended transmission range and facial recognition, but its gimbal mobility is limited. Moving up our list to number 6, the Force One U49W Blue Heron may not take the highest quality photos, but if you need some practice hours to get the hang of following your target and maneuvering with FPV, it's a great bargain that includes a bonus battery for extra flying time. It's equipped with one-button launch and landing and built-in propeller guards. It's an excellent beginner option. Halfway up our list at number 5, with a frame that folds down to the size of a water bottle. Portability is the hallmark of the DJI Mavic Pro, but it also boasts a 4K 12-megapixel camera with a high-precision 3-axis mechanical stabilization system for smooth, crisp videos and beautifully clear still shots. It features smart gestural controls, 27 minutes of flying time, and multiple autonomous flight modes. At number 4, featuring 6-axis gyroscopic stabilization to hold it nice and steady while you hone your airborne cinematography skills, the Holy Stone F181W is a good place to start if you're not quite ready to invest in a premium drone, just to crash it until you work out the kinks. It boasts real-time FPV streaming via Wi-Fi and comes with a spare battery. It's a great entry-level choice. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, extraordinarily intelligent navigation systems with multi-dimensional obstacle avoidance, active subject tracking, and high-resolution videography make the foldable DJI Mavic Air a highly capable aerial imaging device that fits into the palm of your hand. It features a top speed of 43 miles per hour, automatic white balance and exposure, and HDR and panoramic image stitching. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for drones for photographers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, if you're looking for a first-person view of the waters below, the submersible PowerVision PowerRay ROV can plunge almost 100 feet beneath the surface to explore the undersea world. Additional features include a fish finder, a bait drop, and an immersive VR experience. It takes 4K UHD video and 12-megapixel photos, and includes a 70-yard-long retrieval tether and a wheeled carrying case. And coming in at number 1 on our list, put together a dual battery setup to power a removable Zenmuse camera and ancillaries with a forward-facing FPV and one of the most advanced obstacle avoidance systems on the market. And you've got the DJI Inspire 2, the gold standard of aerial videography devices. It boasts high-velocity subject tracking and works with more than one controller. It accelerates to 50 miles per hour in 4 seconds. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for drones for photographers, or simply click beneath this video.